What's up, everybody? It's your boy Bimmy back at it again with another shoe review. We got a box. I'm not even sure what's in this box. I thought I knew what all these boxes is that were coming in, but I don't. So we about to open it. We both gonna see what it is together. So stay tuned. Let's see. If you haven't already, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Let's see what shoe review we about to get into. I remember this one now. Y'all know what this is. Toro Bravo. Let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Man, this is dope. This is dope. Hold up. So, Jordan brand did his good on the box. You see the red jump man. This isn't wood, but it's like, you know what I mean? Like, I'm imagining there's a bull behind here, and this is the wood that they use to try to keep the bull at bay. And you see what it is. Size 11, Air Jordan 5 Retro, varsity red, black, white. So as per usual, retail is $190. And boom, let's put that right there. So yeah, man, we got the all red Toro Bravos. And I think this is a dope shoe, man. This is a real dope shoe. Ooh, you got that nubuck. It's definitely real stiff nubuck. Dang, it's real stiff nubuck. You got the 23. So let's get into it. You got the 23 right here. 23 right here. You got the black midsole. You got the shark teeth in red, white and red. You got the outsole with the red Jumpman, clear black or translucent, and you got the visible air unit in the back. You know, you got the one in the forefoot, and it's in a cell colorway. The one in the back, I'm not sure if the camera can pick that up. White Jumpman on the insole. You got red laces, and you have a translucent lace lock. Black Jumpman with the reflective on the tongue. And Air Jordan behind the tongue. This is a great shoe, man. Translucent on the quarter right here. Translucent netting. Black eyelets. Man, this material, this nubuck is real stiff. So I like that, man. These, like I said, I didn't have my coins up to get these when they first came out. But your boy got them now. And I do not have any all red shoes to my knowledge. So these are definitely my first all red shoes, or predominantly red shoes. Yeah, man, this thing, I don't know, this is a weird feeling, bro. Got my fingers feeling funny. There was somebody who I saw on Instagram, he did some sort of dye on his and he made his like all dark. Because you can kind of see there are different shades of red. This part up here on the collar is more like a lighter red. This part down here is a darker red. So yeah. It's definitely different, but I'm not dissatisfied. I'm definitely satisfied. So it's only right we get to the on feet. So let's get to the on feet, baby. Man, these on feet, they is heat. I like these, man. I like these a lot. Only thing I'm not too crazy about it. I don't know if maybe it's the dye that's on the shoe, but it definitely causes it to stick to your hands. Now it just has me thinking, if I wear these in the rain, is it gonna be a bloody day? I don't know, but we shall see. This red, man, just bro, it's heat. I like these a lot, man. So another shoe review down, another 3 more to go. If I can do 1 more today and get this up this week, it's a blessing. But man, these are definitely dope. Tell me what you think about these down below in the comments. Were you able to pick up a pair of Toro Bravos? This box is insane. They definitely did work on this box. I like it. Jordan Brand really stepping up their game, their box game, their shoebox game this year. So shout out to JB, man. It's a wrap. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Check out more shoe reviews over here or more vlogs over here. I appreciate y'all stopping by. Best believe we're gonna keep the content coming. And we got some more things in the works, man. H-Town, we back, baby. Let's go.